How to use it. This time I am going to explain how you should use it, step by step. First, you must understand that we use it to talk about things and animals. Yes, objects and animals. But be careful, because we do this when we speak about them, but in singular. This picture is amazing. Yes, you can say this picture is amazing, or you can say it is amazing. My dog is really smart. You can say my dog is really smart, or you can also say it is really smart. And what should I do if I want to use it in plural? If you want to use it in plural, you simply have to use they. These animals are very curious. They are very curious. Second, we also need to use it when we have impersonal actions. Impersonal actions are activities that don't need any people nor animals to happen. It is raining so much. It is going to snow. It's freezing outside. It's hot today. Do not say is important, is necessary. You should never say this. Instead, you should say it's important. It's necessary. If the action doesn't need a person, we usually use it. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn way more about English, keep watching my videos. I'm sure that you're going to learn so much. And please, don't forget to subscribe.